Hi everyone, I'm Mahiro who is gonna teach you Japanese. This class is about basic grammar like how to use kore, sore, are. These words are useful. If you remember what I'm gonna teach you, your Japanese skill will improve. So please watch until the end of this class. I'm gonna tell you the agenda of this class. First, I'm gonna explain about today's topic. Next is check sentence that is based on kore, sore, are, so that you can understand how to use clearly. The last is review of this class. Let's start. I'm gonna explain about kore, sore, and are. These words are demonstrative pronoun, and these words are for things, not for human. If you use these words for human, it's kinda rude. So please remember of this tip. And kore, sore, are have each suitable thing to use. So let's check each roles. Kore is used to indicate something near the speaker. You can see this picture so that you can imagine what I explained. Sore is used to indicate something near the listener. The difference between kore and sore is only near the speaker or listener. So please take a note to remember, or try to use these words until you can remember. Are is used to indicate something that is far from both people. I think it's easy to memorize unlike previous words. Suitable thing to use is like this picture. You can compare how different these words are used. You understand the meaning of kore, sore, and are. So from now, we will learn basic sentence based on these words so that you are able to use kore, sore, and are. Basic sentence based on them is これは N です。それは N です。あれは N です。ブラブラはブラブラです。corresponds to be verb. ブラブラは indicates the subject and ブラブラです indicates the predicate of the sentence. So the meaning is this is noun. It is noun. That is noun. Anyway, let's check actual sentence to understand clearly. First sentence is これはリンゴです。リンゴ means apple. So the meaning of this sentence is this is an apple. How to pronounce it here? これはリンゴです。これはリンゴです。Second sentence is それはカバンです。カバン means bag. So the meaning of this sentence is it is a bag. How to pronounce it here? それはカバンです。それはカバンです。Third sentence is あれは家です。家 means house. So the meaning of this sentence is that is a house. How to pronounce it here? あれは家です。あれは家です。We checked 3 examples. So from now, I'm gonna give you 2 sentences in English and ask you that what do you mean in Japanese to check your understanding. So please think and answer. First sentence is it's a salt. I know it's hard to answer if there is only this information. So I'm gonna give you the information. 塩 means salt. The information for this sentence is only this. I'm gonna give you 20 seconds. So please think and answer. Did you get your answer? If not yet, just stop the video and think again until you can get your answer. Anyway, let's check your answer is correct or not. How to say it's a salt in Japanese is それは塩です。How's your answer? I guess you could answer correctly. By the way, how to pronounce is here. それは塩です。それは塩です。Second sentence is that is a fish. I'm gonna give you the information same as before. 魚 means fish. The information for this sentence is only this. I'm gonna give you 20 seconds, so please think and answer again. Did you get your answer? Let's check your answer is correct or not. How to say that is a fish in Japanese is あれは魚です。How's your answer? If you made a mistake, you can check the explanation of today's topic until you can answer correctly. So don't disappoint it. You can do it. By the way, how to pronounce is here. あれは魚です。あれは魚です。This class is almost done. At the end, we will review this class. You learn the meaning of これ、それ, and あれ. Additionally, we checked sentence based on them. Did you remember? Let's check together. These words are used to indicate that something near the speaker or the listener or far from both people, right? If you are not sure which is which, you can watch that part again. We checked 5 examples including drills. You can use those examples for your daily conversation. By the way, how many did you answer correctly? I hope you could answer perfectly. From this class, I start this segment of question because I want to know you and be closer. And also some listeners request this kind of segment. I'm gonna ask you a question after we reviewed each classes. So today's question is, what Japanese food do you want to eat? In my case, I want to eat ramen. Ramen is my favorite food. There are lots of famous food in Japan, so please answer in the comments section. I'm looking forward to checking your answer. Anyway, thank you for watching this class. I hope this class is helpful for you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel. Additionally, if it's okay with you, please share this video to your friends who want to learn Japanese. Thank you for your kindness. See you next class.